Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss mechanism of enzyme action biochemistry MCQs part first. A regulator of the enzyme glycogen synthase is option A citric acid, B pyruvate, C glucose 6 phosphate. Correct option is C glucose 6 phosphate. Cardiac muscle contains which of the following CK isoenzymes? Option A MM and MB. Option B MM and BB only. Option C MM, BB and MB all are three. Correct option is A MM and MB only. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Which enzyme of the TCA cycle does red poison inhibit? Option A isocitrate dehydrogenase, B alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, C fumarase. Correct option is B alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. The citric acid cycle is a hub of energy transformation. Which citric acid cycle enzyme produces GTP by substrate level phosphorylation? Option A triose phosphate isomerase, B aldolase, C succinyl CoA synthetase. Correct option is D succinyl CoA synthetase. During catabolic process, the oxidation of the energy-rich molecules often results in the reduction of NADA to NADH. Which comparable molecule is the most used reductant for reductive steps in anabolic processes? Option A FAD, B NADPH, C coenzyme A. Option D ATP. Correct option is B NADPH. The coenzyme that participates in the transformation reaction of dash. Option A ALT, B GGT, C ALP, D PLP. Correct option is D PLP. Muscle glycogen does not directly contribute to blood glucose due to the absence of the enzyme. Option A glucose 6 phosphate, B glucose 6 phosphatase, glycogen phosphorylase. Option D G6PD. Correct option is B glucose 6 phosphatase. Allopurinol is a potential succide inhibitor of the enzyme. Option A ADA, B xanthine oxidase, C G6PD. Correct option is B xanthine oxidase. An enzyme of purine metabolism associated with immunodeficiency disease. Option A adenosine deaminase, B xanthine oxidase, C PRPP synthetase. Option D HGPRT. Correct option is A adenosine deaminase. What enzyme profile is characteristic of acute myocardial infarction? Option A ALT AST lipase, option B ALT amylase CKMB, option C CPK LDH CKMB AST. Correct option is C CPK LDH CKMB AST. The major diagnostic application of GGT measurements is in the investigation of this. Option A, hepatobiliary disease. B, cardiac disease. Option C, lung disease. Correct option is A, hepatobiliary disease. The most important enzyme involved in oxidative deamination is option A, ALT. B, glutamate dehydrogenase. C, carbonyl phosphate synthase 1. And option D, glycine transaminase. Correct option is B, glutamate dehydrogenase. Which of the following enzyme is typically elevated in alcoholism? Option A, serum ALP. B, serum GOT. C, serum gamma GT. Correct option is C, serum gamma glutamate. Gout can result from a reduction in activity. Which one of the following enzyme can be used? Option A, glutamine phosphoribosyl amidinotransferase. Option A, B, glucose 6 phosphatase. C, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. Option D, PRPP synthetase. Correct option is A, glutamine phosphoribosyl amidinotransferase. Rise of which serum enzyme activity 4 to 8 hours after acute myocardial infarction is characteristically seen? Option A, AST. B, ALT. C, LDH. D, CK. Correct option is D, CK. Thank you for watching my videos.